On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without investing any money and without any experience. This method is one of the simplest ways that you can use to make money as an affiliate, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are a lot of different affiliate networks that you can join. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be using Digistore24. Digistore24 is one of the popular affiliate networks that you can find digital products to promote. There are a lot of different digital products on this platform that you can promote, and the best part is that you don't need an approval to promote any offer on this platform. You can promote any offer that you want. So search for Digistore24. Once you search for it, you can create your free accounts and join. Once you join and log in, what you are going to do is that you have to create a marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. Now you can choose to promote any kind of products that you want. On this platform, they have digital products, they have events and seminars, they have services, they also have physical products that you can promote. As I scroll down, you can see right here shipping products. Shipping products, they are the physical products that you can promote. So any kind of product that you want, you can click on it to get an offer to promote. So let's say for example you want shipping products. All that you need to do is that you have to click on it. Once you click on it, you can see they have skincare products, they have food supplements. So if you want to promote food supplements, you can click on it, food supplements. Once you click on it, you can see these are the supplements that you can promote. As I scroll down, you can see these are the supplements that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. The best part is that the commission rate is very high. So if you are able to get 2 sales, 3 sales per day, you are going to be making a lot of money. You can see this one, for example, you are going to be earning $146.78 per every sale that you get. There are many of them. You can see this one, you are going to be earning $138.58 per every sale that you get. You can see this one, you're going to be earning $100.31 per every sale that you get. There are many of them. So all that you need to do is that you have to select a category, find a product that you like, and then promote it. But before you promote a product, there are some factors that you must consider. One of the factors is the commission rate. How much are you going to earn per every sale that you get? So apart from that, you have to also look at the cart conversion rate. The cart conversion rate is the number of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to make a purchase. So the higher the cart conversion rate, the likelihood that you are going to get a sale when you promote it to a targeted audience. So what you have to do is that you have to consider these two most important factors so that you can get the best offer that you can promote to earn money with affiliate marketing. So any kind of product that you want. If you don't want the physical products, you can also click on the digital products. Under the digital products, there are a lot of different products that you can promote. So when you click on digital products, you can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. Under the digital products category, you can see a whole lot of them. Under the digital products category, there are certain categories that are trending. They are always trending. They are evergreen products that you can promote. For example, business and investment. This is an evergreen niche that you can promote. Dating, relationship, and romance. This is also an evergreen niche that you can promote. When you scroll down, they also have health and fitness. So you can see health and fitness. This is also an evergreen niche that you can find products to promote. You can see they have about 147 available products that you can promote. So make sure you select those categories and then find a traffic source whereby you can get people who really need the category of products that you have selected so that you can get targeted audience to purchase the product that you are promoting. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting a product under the home and garden category. So just scroll down so that you can find home and garden. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see home and garden. Click on it so that you can find products that you can promote. Once you click on the home and garden, you can see this is a product that you can promote. The commission rate is $36. The next one is $24.98. You can see another one is $13.05 and many others. We are going to be promoting this offer right here. You can see the commission rate is high, $155.25. So anytime you get a sale, this is the amount that you are going to earn. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can be able to view the product. So click right here just click on the name of the product. Once you click on it, you can see many other details of the product. You can see the price of the product, you can see the commission percentage, and many other details. This is a description of the product. You can see everything. So all that you need to do is that you have to take the time and then read about the description of the product. You can see these are the description of the product. Apart from the description, you can also click on the product landing page so that you can get to know what your potential visitors are going to get once they purchase the product. So click right here, sales page. Once you click on sales page, you can see this is the landing page of the product. So this is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see before they decide to purchase the product. When you scroll down, you see many details about the product. You can see a whole lot of different details about the product. You can see everything. You can see a whole lot of different details that your potential investors are going to read before they make a purchase for you to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to read most of the details so that you yourself can get familiar with the details before you promote it. You can see a whole lot of different details. You can see people are giving testimonials, and the testimonials are good. You can see all of them are good reviews. So this is one of the best products that you can promote to earn money from home. Now once you get to know more about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. To promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, promote now. Once you click on it, you can be able to get your affiliate link. So you can see your affiliate link has been copied. Now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. You can use the free traffic source or you can use paid traffic source. It depends on whatever that you want. If you can afford the paid traffic source, you can use the paid traffic source to get people to purchase the product. If you cannot afford, you can use the free traffic source. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to get people to purchase the product for you to make money. The traffic source that we're going to be using today is Findermaster.com. Findermaster is a classified website where you can get free traffic to your affiliate link. They are available in the tier 1 countries, so you can decide to target your ad in any of the tier 1 countries that you want. When you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different cities that you can target. You can see these are the states in the United States that you can target. You can see these are cities in the United States that you can target. So all that you need to do is that you have to select any place that you want and then target those audience so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. You can see a whole lot of different cities and states that you can target. Now what you have to do is that you have to create an account. So click right here, my account. Once you click on it, you can be able to create a free account and then promote your ad on this platform. Once you create your accounts and log in, click right here, publish your ad. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like go down so that you can select the type of ad. You can see select the type of ad. It is an individual. If it is a business, you can do that. If it is other categories, you can select that, but in this case it is an individual, so select that. Once you select it, scroll down and then click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, you can see category, so you have to select the appropriate category of the product that you are promoting. You can see these are the categories. They have services, they have items, and you can see the rest. So select the appropriate category that you are targeting. You can see a whole lot of them. The product that we are promoting is under the home and garden. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come under the items. Once you come under the items, you can see garden products. Click on it. Once you select garden products, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you can see listing title and description. So you have to enter the title of your ad and the description. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you have to enter the title of the ad here and then a description. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on Digest24. Once you come back on Digest24, this is the name of the product. So highlight and then copy it. Highlight and copy it as your title. Once you highlight and copy it as your title, you have to come back. Once you come back, paste the title here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste the description of the product here. So you have to come back on Digest24. Once you come back, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this is the description of the product. So highlight everything and then copy it. Highlight it and then copy the description of the product. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you can see listing address. You have to enter your address. So scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down, you can see this is an address. If you want, you can enter it, but in this case I'm not going to enter any address. Once that is done, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see listing price. So you have to enter the price of the product that you are promoting. Just scroll down, you can see price, and then you can see the currencies. So you have to enter the figure here and then select the currency. So when you come back on this total info, you can see this is the price of the product and it is in dollars. You can see it right here. So you have to enter $517.55. So come back and then type $517.55. Type this. Once that is done, select dollars because the price is in dollars. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see contact info. So you have to enter your contact information. So they include your name and email address. So enter your name and your email address. Once you enter your name and email address, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you see company name. This is an optional field. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then click on continue. Scroll down and then click on continue. But if you have a company name that you want to add, you can do so. Once that is done, you can see select add region. This is the most important part because if you don't select the right people, you are not going to be making sales. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to target a tier 1 country. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can target any tier 1 country that you want. You can see these are the countries. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to target the United Kingdom. So select United Kingdom. Once that is done, you can see select a region. So you can select a region, select a city, or you can leave it. It depends on whatever that you want. Once you enter the details, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, the next step is that you have to upload images of the product. You have to upload images of the product that you are promoting. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on the total info. Once you come back, you can copy the name of the product. Once you copy it, you can open a new tab and then paste it so that you can be able to search for images of the product. Once you search for it, you can see these are images of the product. You can click right here, images. Once you click on it, you can see these are the images of the product. Download as many as you want so that you can use it. So what we are going to do is that we are going to download this image. So right click on the image, select save image as. Once that is done, save the image. Once you save one image, you can keep on downloading many images as you want. So you are going to download this image right here. Once you right click on this, select save image as. Once that is done, click on save. Once you save the image, you can also download this image right here. So right click on the image, select save image as. Once that is done, download the image. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have the images, what you have to do is that you have to come back, click right here so that you can upload your images. Once you click on it, select all your images. So we have 3 images, select all of them and then click on open. Once you click on open, you can see these are your images. You can see them. So if you want, you can add one image so that it will be 4. The maximum number of images that you can upload is 4, so you can add one image. Now once you have your image, what you have to do is that you have to enter your telephone number. So if you want, you can enter your telephone number right here. But in this case, I'm not going to enter my telephone number, so just leave it. Once that is done, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see these are the details of your ad. So this is a preview of your ad. If you don't want anything, you can change it. You can see this is a preview of your ad. You can see everything, the price, the country, the city. So if you want, you can change it. If you want, you can change it. So assume you want to target the whole of the United Kingdom, so you can leave the region and then target the whole of the United Kingdom. So you can preview your details and then make a correction. As a school, you can see everything. Now once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Complete this step by pressing the submit button. So click on submit so that you can submit your ad. Once you click on submit, your ad has been submitted. You can see here your listing has been received and it will be reviewed. So they have to review your ad so that they will ensure that it meets their quality guidelines. So make sure you keep on posting different ads onto this platform, because once they review it, they are going to approve it and you are going to be getting traffic to your affiliate link. Apart from this website, there are many others that you can publish your ad for free. For example, when you come on this website, pennysaverusa.com, This website is also a classified website that you can use to target people who live in the United States. As a school, you can see these are products that people are publishing on this platform, and the best part is that it is free. You can see these are things that people are posting on this platform. You can see a whole lot of different things that people are posting on this platform. So what you have to do is that you have to also create your accounts so that you can post your items on this platform for free. Just create your accounts. Once you create your accounts, click right here, place free ad. Once you click on it, you can be able to post your ads onto this platform without paying for anything. So make sure you go and use the two websites so that you can be making money on day 24 without investing anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.